Hey, it's PipplePusher, and I'm happy to share that I am finally finished my big cathedral diorama build. I'm really excited about this one. It's going to be the final boss battle for my team. I'm really excited, even though it's a long way off, probably months away, but this was what was sparking joy right now, so it's what I decided to build. I did a lot of cutting. I used XPS foam and ready board. We did lots of experimentation. I didn't have a plan, a tutorial, or anything that I was following, so it was a lot of just sort of trial and error and holding things up to see how they might look and all that. I had a really strong vision in my head on how I wanted it to look, and I wanted it to be able to store on my bookshelf as just a kind of year-round diorama. And honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. So this is a bit of a longer video, so I'm just kind of gonna let it run. But if you want the full tutorial and you want to see how it's built, you want the long video or the written blog, please do follow the link in my bio to pipplepusher.ca and you can find the full blog there. Thanks so much and enjoy watching. Take care.